Good morning, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So this morning for brunch, I am going to have just some protein breakfast with a couple of eggs. I'm out of my duck eggs, but Kroger had some chicken eggs on sale, so that was great. And then I have some 2% cottage cheese, some diced ham, some asparagus, and some grape tomatoes. I'm going to cook the eggs in my little poaching pot, and that's it. Everything else is ready to go. This has become like my favorite snack. I have a couple of white cheddar rice cakes left. I'm gonna have those with some Laughing Cow, some avocado, and some homemade everything bagel seasoning. And that will be it. For dinner, I am gonna keep it uber simple. I'm gonna have my favorite peanut sesame bowl with some green onions. I'm not going to add any of the stuff that I normally do. And then I'm going to have a Z-Roll Farm. These are the little shrimp sticks. I'm going to have one of those. And that will be dinner.